How to enable or disable Bixby Vision show shutter button on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. After that, tap on the swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Then tap on the Settings icon. Now scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then tap on Vision Enhancements. Now scroll down. Then tap on Bixby Vision for accessibility. Then tap on Show Shutter button. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Here's the objects, text, and scenes won't be detected until you tap the shutter button. And after that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.